Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to talk about how we can install Nodemon, and also we're going to talk about why we need Nodemon in case of development. So here we have one simple Express application. We are listening to this port 3000 and we are responding with the text welcome to Express. Now to run that we can use node index, and now our server is running on this port. So now if we go to localhost 3000, so you can see we have this text welcome to Express. Now here is the problem is that if we make any changes to this text, like we have make this change, and if we refresh, so you can see the changes are not reflected here. So for this we have to manually stop the server with the Ctrl C, and then we have to restart the server. And now if we refresh, so you can see the changes are now reflecting. So every time we make any changes to our application, we need to restart the server so that the changes reflected. So this is very annoying and not efficient at all. So while developing the application, we should not be using such an approach. Instead, there should be something that is automatically refresh while making any changes. So for that purpose, we have the Nodemon. So Nodemon will automatically restart the Node.js application when any file changes directed. So to install Nodemon, we have to write npm install -g. So we are installing Nodemon globally, and then Nodemon. So this will globally install Nodemon. So we have successfully installed Nodemon. So now to start the server, we have to use Nodemon instead of just node and then the name of the file, which is index. Now our server is running and successfully listening to this port. Now if we make any changes to that, so you can see Nodemon is automatically detecting the changes and restarting the server for us. And if we refresh, so you can see the changes are automatically reflected. So this way we can use Nodemon, which can automatically detect any changes in the file, and it will speed up the development process by providing a streamlined workflow. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.